out here today to help clean up an area for our endangered least terns. And this area has a lot of old weeds and other things that that unfortunately doesn't allow them to be able to grow because predators can see them against the green brush. So by cleaning it up, we're able to allow them to grow and be healthy. That's awesome.
So this volunteer restoration event is one of the biggest that we have all season, and we look forward to it all year because SDG&E brings out so many people who are so enthusiastic. And it's right before the start of nesting season for the endangered bird we're working to protect. So it's like that final push to get everything done, and we need to get done before nesting season starts.
The cleanest, safest, most reliable energy company in America. Clean is at the top of that list, right? We have to protect the environment that we serve. It's really, really important.